Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to talk about one single exercise which is going to help you to train your brain to think in English, and at the same time you'll be able to speak in English as well. And there are lots of variations also. You can use this exercise in different ways to speak better if you're a beginner, if you are intermediate, or if you are in advanced stage. So this exercise will help everybody to speak English better or to speak English more fluently and confidently by training your brain to think in English, and at the same time you'll be able to speak in English as well. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with this amazing exercise. 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day, you can just start doing this exercise and it will do wonders. Trust me on this. So I'll divide this exercise into 3 easy steps. The first step will be choosing a word, or basically naming words in English. So whatever you see around you, just start naming it in English. That is the first step. Now what this will help you with is you will learn English vocabulary, you will learn different things or items, what it is called in English. So it will basically improve your vocabulary and it will help you to speak about it. So this is the first step you have to do. The second step is take one word, look around, take up one word, just start thinking about related words. Okay, what you can relate with this word? What are the other words which you can relate? Okay, I'll give you an example to simplify this, but it's just that I'm talking about the steps here. So the second step is pick one word and start thinking about related words, right? Like whenever you think of this word, what all words you can think about. And the third step will be just come up with sentences around all these words, related words which you have used or which you have spoken or which you have noted down. Okay, so this is the exercise. Now I'll tell you how you can practice this. I'll give you example now. For example, let's take an example, a word like flower. Now when we talk about flowers, what all words comes to our mind? Beautiful colors, smell, right? Garden, watering the plant, maintenance, gardener, right? Insects. So these are the words which come to our mind. Okay, for example. Now let's connect all these words with sentences. This is our third step. So when we talk about beautiful, flowers look beautiful. They are of different colors. The colors are so vibrant. Flowers grow in garden. There's a gardener who takes care of it, right? We have to water the plant regularly. The plant needs a lot of care. The butterflies fly around the flowers. There are lots of insects which sticks to the flower, and leaves. They eat the leaves also. They eat the flowers as well. So we need to maintain the plants. So this is how I spoke about a flower, right? So this is how you have to start working on. Take any item, any object, try to think about related words. Now you know what I mean about related words, right? When you think about an item like a staircase or a floor or a fan, what all things comes to your mind is called related words, right? And then we can start building up sentences. If you are a beginner, you can write down the related words and then you can come up with sentences individually. Okay, so this is how you can practice every single day. Now, another way of practicing this. So this is something which an item you have picked up and you have spoken about it, right? Next time when you're doing any activity or an action you're doing, you can just take up that and you can start describing it in the same way. Action like I am walking, I am sitting, I am watching a TV, I am talking to somebody, I am shooting a video. Right? Let's take this, shooting a video. What all related words I can think about it, about my action, what I am doing. My equipments I can talk about, like mobile, stand, microphone, chair, laptop, right? Content, session, etc. Right? Now let's try to make sentences with these. I am shooting a video. This video is related to my English speaking session for YouTube, probably I can say. I shoot with my camera or my mobile. I have a tripod stand on which my camera is fixed. I have a microphone. I speak on my microphone. Right? Etc. So, there are lots of things I can talk about in this way. So, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, take up any time of the day. Like in the morning also you can take up 5 minutes. Afternoon, evening, night, anytime you can take up 5 minutes and you can just talk about it. You're going to sleep, right? Talk about it. Another way, any activity you're doing, you're cooking something in the kitchen. Talk about it. I want to make an omelette, or I'm cooking an omelette. What are the related words I can think of? Like the ingredients I'll choose, right? Eggs, onions, probably chilies, tomatoes, some cheese, butter, a fry pan, a mixing bowl, right? And then start speaking about it. I'm going to crack an egg in a bowl. I'm going to mix all the ingredients. I'm going to whisk it up. I'll take a frying pan. I'll put some butter or whatever, oil in it, and I'll fry my omelette there. Right? So guys, it's very easy. You can just give it a try. I told you different ways you can try these things, right? The first is starting from an object or an item which you can pick up and start talking about it. The next, any action you're doing, you can talk about it. Any activity you're doing, you can talk about it. Another one, any scenario or anything you are looking at, like there is a scenario, you're standing in your balcony and there, the kids are playing on the podium. That is a scenario for you. You're looking at things, a lot of things are happening there. Talk about it. You've gone for a morning walk. What is happening around? Talk about it. You are in a food court, you are in a mall, you went for probably shopping. Just talk about it. You can also add your experience there. You can talk about your experience also. Take about shopping experience. Take your food review, right? Or a book review. Or anything else, whatever you want. Any movie review you want to give or series you watch every day. So there are lots of things you can just talk about in the same way, guys. It will help you to break down things easily or in easy steps, and then you can speak on it. If you're talking about a movie review, just think about what you want to talk about it, the related words, right? Movie was entertaining, it was fun, thrilling, acting was good, music was good, songs, dialogues, and then come up with sentences related to all these words. Trust me guys, if you start breaking things down in this way and then you start speaking about it, it will be much easier for you to start speaking in English, just because it will help you to start thinking in English. And once you start training your brain to think in English, it will be much easier for you to start speaking in English. So this exercise is to train your brain to think in English so that you can speak in English, right? So start working on this exercise in the same way which I've just spoken about. I've given you examples also, and I am sure this is going to help you to work on this exercise. So 5 to 10 minutes every day, you can just take up time and start doing this exercise regularly, consistently, and you will see a lot of difference in 30 days. And 5-10 minutes every day doesn't mean only once in 24 hours you can do. You can do it multiple times. Take out 10 minutes and you can do it multiple times in a day, right? So start working on this and you'll see a lot of difference in 30 days for sure. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care. And do write your comments in the comment section if this has worked for you.